Here's the InstaCuppa 3-in-1 Espresso Coffee Maker with 20 bar pressure for best results. It comes with 3 coffee adapters which makes it versatile. It includes a coffee tamper and coffee scoop. This is the Nespresso pod adapter which you need to open and place the Nespresso pod inside, gently press it and close the lid. Next is the Dolce Gusto pod adapter which is compatible with any type of Dolce Gusto pod. And next is the ground coffee adapter which comes with a removable basket. You need to match the notch and place it inside. Before using, you need to add ground coffee to it and gently tamp it to ensure best results. It includes a 500 ml milk tank to make a variety of cafe-style drinks. You need to use the knob given on this tank to adjust the milk dispensing nozzle straight into the cup or mug that you are using. If you're making Americano or running the clean mode, you need to turn the knob to clean or Americano. Minus sign indicates finer milk froth and plus indicates thicker milk froth. Turn the knob between minus to plus for your preferred selection. It includes a removable drip tray which collects all the drippings of coffee and milk. It comes with a 16 ampere power cable and is equipped with 1.8 liter water tank with minimum and maximum level marked. This machine also includes a cup warming table which can be used to place empty cups or mugs.